What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about Bandex. It's the governance token in the BTFA ecosystem. We're going to talk about it. It is getting listed to Bitmart very soon, and because of that, we are seeing some nice positive price action with Bandex. It's the token that it kind of underlies everything in the ecosystem, right? You need governance when it comes to letting the community have a voice, right? Voting power. That is Bandex for the BTFA ecosystem. Of course, we have BTFA, the native token, Bandex, the governance token. A third token is coming to the ecosystem as well. We're going to learn more about that this summer. But for Bandex, there are a lot of things coming in the next month or so. A lot of things planned for this token, and be on the lookout because we're going to be addressing a lot of the news around Bandex in the coming weeks and months. So let's dive into it right here. Bandex, part of the BTFA ecosystem, goes live on Bitmart at 6 a.m. on July 14th. That means the deposit feature is live on the 12th, 3 days from now, 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you can learn more by clicking this link here. Of course, Bitmart is one of those top tier 2 exchanges. That's the way I look at it. It's not a tier 1, but it is a tier 2, and it's one of the top exchanges in that tier 2 category. They do have a lot of volume over there on Bitmart, and a lot of people will be trading Bandex over there. They always are looking for new assets. There are people who just sit there and wait for new assets to come to various exchanges and jump all over it. Now, let's go ahead and jump into the chart because we are seeing some nice positive price action here. This is the 1 hour look here for Bandex. I mean, looking super bullish here. And really, you go back till July 4th, the last 5 days or so for Bandex has been pretty bullish. All right. So we had a nice little stairway up here back on the 4th of July. Came back down, actually gave it back. But on the 5th, kind of consolidated a little bit, got about halfway back up the mountain, if you will. And then here on the 7th, we had a nice run up, plateaued a little bit on the 8th. And then yesterday, we saw a huge run up, and we're still experiencing this. These are, again, 1 hour candlesticks. We're sitting up here at the 1587 mark, up 22% in the last 24, up 45% in the last week. So awesome to see Bandex finally getting some love. If we go over to BTFA, we can check out that chart real quick right now as well. And BTFA right now up slightly here in the last 24. Actually just about flat in the last 24, but it is up 4.33% in the last week, sitting at that 5150 level. And we found some nice support here. It did dip down into the threes here momentarily back in June, of course, with the big sell-off, but then we got some big buys coming in late June. We have since consolidated back here in the low fives for the time being. And again, BTFA will have some big things surrounding it as well. One thing about this team who's behind BTFA, they are not slowing down in terms of partnerships, exchange listings, strategic partnerships, focusing on their brand. They're not going and hiding away in the corner here in a bear market just because the market's down. They don't care. They're full steam ahead, and they realize that right now is the time to build in a bear market. And it's a small project still. When we look at BTFA, it's only a $5.15 million market cap, but I see tremendous opportunity here when I look at this. And, you go over to Bandex, look at its market cap. This is a $1.5 million market cap. That's it. I see huge opportunity here for growth, huge opportunity to build in the bear and come out of this on the other end. Of course, they had a successful NFT launch. If you're unfamiliar with what they're doing, check out their website and definitely tune in for more because there will be a lot more information coming out from BTFA and the team. So that's what I've got for you here in the update. Thank you so much for popping in. I appreciate it. Leave a like button and consider subscribing to the channel as well. Have a great weekend, everybody. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.